How's everybody doing? This is Justin Simpers with another edition of Getting in Touch with Your Star Player, which is you, for the Star Player Collective, to find out what it is that you can do to grow your business. So I am doing a little bit of a focus on loan officers, brokers, and anybody on the retail side brokering loans to wholesale lenders. And the reason why I'm doing that, I'm one of the top AEs in the country, work with a lot of different LOs, and I know what it takes to be a top loan officer. So I'm just going to save you guys all the trouble and just go out there and market. Forget about whatever you know about the business. Just go out there and market. Look, that's not it at all. Keeping it real. People have asked me a lot. The number one question I get asked is, well, what are other people doing? Well, other people are doing this. Look, first and foremost, if you're trying to process your own loans and you don't know totally what you're doing, find yourself a good contract processor that knows what they're doing. They're worth their weight in gold. I'm telling you that right now. So if you don't have a processing system down, find a contract processor and get the loans handled on the inside to alleviate some pain for you in that process. I'm telling you that right now. If you're trying to process your own loans and you don't know what you're doing, change that. Change it immediately. In the process of this, the best loan officers in the business know their guidelines. They know them. And if they don't know the answer to a specific question, they can find them. You will be amazed at what typing something into Google will reveal to you. For instance, if you want to know what the FHA loan amount max is per county, Google it. If you want to know what Fannie Mae is, Google that too. It's amazing what you can find on Google. Guidelines, find them on Google as well. You can search any guideline you want. I would implore you, as scenarios come up, try and be resourceful and find some of your own answers. Please know your programs, please. When it comes to rates, you want to care about rates, but really, you don't want to care about rates. You just don't. Yes, you want to know the market. Yes, you want to follow people like Barry Habib and know, lock or don't lock. Yeah, you want to know historically what's happened, what's going on. Don't be dumb, don't put blinders on. But at the same time, put blinders on. Quit. Your day is not dictated by your rate environment, and quit acting like it's all dependent on that, because life goes on. And when rates go up, guess what? People still buy houses. People still buy houses. I would also implore you to when it comes to knowing programs, get with your AEs to do a little education on what it is that is out there. Like, for instance, I do Chinoa DPA and NHF. I don't do Cal FHA or GSEs. I just don't. But I have talked to the AEs, other lenders that do them, so we kind of know what each other does and where we succeed. But you want to know what it is that you're working with. If your marketing that you are currently doing is not working for you, first of all, repeat the steps that I just did and make sure you're on point with that. But secondly, don't be insane. Do something different. Do something different. Look, I've always been a bit animated. I show well on video. I don't photo very well, but video, yes. For me, I started it over 3 years ago. It's been great for me, but I was always trying something different. And then you can find what works for you. Mailers, door knocking, going out and setting up a booth at a swap meet, depends. What are you about? Lastly, be a better educated version of yourself. Don't be fake. Don't pretend. Do not act as if all the time. Sure, there's times where you want to, but for the most part, be a better educated version of yourself in 2022. Repeat, rinse, and rewatch this video if you're confused, or call me. But for real though, make it a great day, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.